This is the programmer Al, and today I'm going to walk through an Edibit challenge called Maximum Weight Allowed. And they want us to create a function that returns true if the combined weight of a car and the weight of the passengers in the car is less than the maximum weight the car is allowed to carry. Otherwise, return false. The weight of the car and the weight of the passengers are given in pounds, and the maximum weight is given in kilograms. So this is like a multi-step word problem, basically. So they give us the beginnings of the function, the name of the function, and the different arguments that it will take. So I'm going to create two new variables just to kind of make my life easier. The first one I'm going to create is called total car, because we need to have one side be the weight of the passengers along with the weight of the car, and then on the other side is the maximum weight. So total car will equal car plus, as you'll see, the P is actually a list of different weights of the people in the car, so we'll need to sum that list. And basically what you do is just type sum and then the name of the list, and you put that in parentheses. So that'll be the weight of the total car with passengers and the car included. And then with the max weight, we don't have to do too much to it, but it's in kilograms and everything else is in pounds. So what I'm going to do, and you could do this a variety of ways. You could change the total car weight to kilograms and then compare it to the max weight, but since I don't want to overload this, or it's just my personal preference not to overload this top equation, I'm just going to turn the maximum weight of the car, what is allowed, into pounds. And so what I'll do is maximum weight times, and now here's where it was tricky. They gave us a little note at the bottom, and I had a little brain fart, and I input this number to turn it into pounds, and then I realized that's what was messing up my whole equation. So I did a little quick Google search to find out like 1 kilogram equals how many pounds. So instead of using the number that they provided down here, I'm going to use this number. So I can do just a simple multiplication problem. So I just copied and pasted that. So now I'll be able to have everything in the same units. The total car will be in pounds and the max weight will be in pounds. So now I can get to my, true or false testing is what we'll call it. So if the total car is greater than or equal to the max weight in pounds, then what we'll want to do is return false. Else, return true. So that's the logic statement that should work in finding and comparing the maximum weight. And it passed. So that's how you convert kilograms to pounds. That's how you sum the numbers in a list and then compare them to each other.